In a world more connected than ever, one thing binds us across oceans and borders: our pursuit of better health. From the research labs of Tokyo to the biotech incubators of Toronto, from Silicon Valley to Swiss clinics, scientists and entrepreneurs are racing to reshape the future of medicine. But while the destination may be the same, the path each nation takes is strikingly unique. Today, we take you on a global journey through innovation, where science meets culture, policy, and vision. This is biotechnology, without borders. We begin in the United States, home to some of the world's most cutting-edge biotech firms. In Boston, CRISPR gene editing is rewriting the rules of genetic medicine. In San Francisco, artificial intelligence is diagnosing cancer faster than ever before. Startups like Moderna didn't just revolutionize vaccines. They opened the door to mRNA therapies that may one day treat cancer and rare genetic conditions. But it's not all about Silicon Valley speed. Regulatory agencies like the FDA shape the pace, balancing innovation with safety. In the US, biotech is bold, fast-moving, and often commercial first. North of the border, Canada is emerging as a quiet powerhouse. With strong public health policies and government-backed research hubs, Canadian biotech leans into collaboration. In Vancouver, researchers are tackling Alzheimer's with precision therapeutics. In Toronto, AI-powered drug discovery is reducing time to market from years to months. And thanks to national healthcare infrastructure, startups can trial innovations in real-world clinical settings, benefiting both patients and investors. Canada's strength lies in unity: science, ethics, and policy working hand in hand. Halfway across the globe, Japan blends tradition with technology. Aging populations have pushed innovation to the forefront. Here, robotics assist elderly care, while regenerative medicine, especially stem cell therapy, is becoming standard. The Japanese government's proactive stance, such as fast-tracking approvals for regenerative treatments, makes it one of the most biotech-friendly countries in Asia. And culturally, there's a deep respect for precision and perfection, mirrored in their breakthroughs. In China, scale and speed define biotech's explosive growth. Massive investments and state-supported infrastructure have launched China into the global spotlight. Beijing and Shenzhen are now biotech hubs, rivaling the West. Gene sequencing company BGI operates some of the world's most advanced genomic facilities. China is also investing heavily in AI for drug development and diagnostics. But with great power comes great scrutiny. Ethical concerns over gene editing and data privacy often follow. Still, China's ambition is clear: to lead the world in biotech by 2030. Across Europe, innovation takes a different shape. In Germany, biotech startups work alongside academic institutions. In Switzerland, pharma giants like Novartis and Roche continue to dominate. Meanwhile, the Nordic countries are driving sustainability in biotech, engineering green pharmaceuticals, and biodegradable medical tech. The European Union's strict regulatory standards emphasize safety and public trust, making approval processes slower but arguably more stable. Europe's approach is methodical, deeply ethical, and built to last. Innovation doesn't happen in a vacuum. Cultural values play a critical role in how biotech is received. In the West, individual rights often frame bioethics debates, from genetic testing to data sharing. In the East, communal well-being tends to take precedence, influencing everything from vaccine distribution to end-of-life care. Understanding these cultural frameworks is vital, not just for researchers and policymakers, but for investors and patients alike. After all, a breakthrough in one country may face resistance in another. Biotech is not just science, it's sociology. So who's leading the charge into the future? Around the world, startups are reshaping the biotech landscape. In Israel, Pluristem Therapeutics is using placental cells to heal damaged tissue. In India, String Bio is converting methane into sustainable protein. In the UK, Exscientia is using AI to design drugs in silico before they're ever tested in a lab. These companies are not just solving problems, they're changing what we believe is possible. And the impact? It's not just in headlines or IPOs, it's in lives. A child in Germany cured of leukemia thanks to gene therapy. An elderly woman in Japan walking again thanks to robotic exoskeletons. A family in Canada reunited after a rare disease diagnosis was reversed using AI. These are not statistics. They are stories of survival, of second chances. And they remind us why biotech matters, not just in labs, but in living rooms. Biotechnology is not the future, it's the now. Different nations, different cultures, different approaches, but one shared goal: to heal, to enhance, to extend human life. So whether you're a scientist, a policymaker, a startup dreamer, or simply someone hoping for a healthier tomorrow, this story belongs to you. Subscribe, share, and stay curious, because the next breakthrough may not be in your backyard, but it just might save your life.